our aim is to propose something affordable for the customer. But of course, it will more expensive than a classical gasoline engine or than an LPG engine. So we will have those three engines in Zürcher to allow the customer to choose what is the best value for money he wants to buy.